Welcome, swing traders. Today we'll talk about RCAT Holdings stock. Based on the daily and weekly TPO analysis, I will show you what levels are in play right now. Of course, we'll talk about technical analysis. So, main question: are we coming back to 1730 to all-time highs, recent all-time highs, or shall we drop to 1175? My name is Mark. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think. Here is the daily TPO chart. TPO is time price opportunity. This is the market profile, but instead of volume, we analyze time. How much time is spent for the specific stock at the specific price level. For today, Friday, March 20, our point of control is $13.95. We are currently a little bit lower than it is. So we have the naked POC left for us on Wednesday at the level of $17.33. It's important level for us to hold because such naked POC point of control acts like a magnet. For example, clearly shown here, we had here the point of control left for us at the January 23rd, and we exactly reached it on March 6th and even went higher. So those levels are important because if we accept this value, and this will be like a support for us to go higher. So that's why it's important to monitor such levels and mark them on your charts. For the downside continuation, currently we have the naked POC left for us at the end of February at the level of $11.75. And based on the analysis that we are seeing right now, if we are losing the value area low, and most probably we are doing it right now, we shall see, based on the daily TPO chart, the next target down to $11.75 for the reaction. So be aware of that. Also here, the important level for us to hold, because if we lose the big level, $10.75, nothing can stop us, and we can actually go and see the lows that were done at the end of December, beginning of the January. So we can actually go to $8.85 to test those levels, because this is a huge air pocket below us. So be aware of that. Based on the weekly TPO chart, our point of control for this week is $15.94. We are currently way lower even than our value area low. So looking to the chart like we see right now, I marked a yellow line here, the point of control left for us at the end of February. And because this point of control was almost tested next week at the beginning of March, I marked it yellow. So important for us to hold $12.55, because if we lose it, then we go to the targets that I showed you based on the daily TPO chart. And of course, the main take profit target would be for the big swing trades that should last at least a few weeks from here, most probably even 1.5 months or more. There would be the main take profit target for me, $7.95. This is the naked PFC left for us at the end of the last year. Be aware of that. And as I told you, here is the technical analysis. I'd like to see what's actually going on the weekly time frame. As you can see, we have big levels below us, $8.18 and $5.38. I'm not sure if we actually go this low, but I think that we are coming lower right now. On the 4 hours chart, it's way easier to see what's cooking. Currently, our leg down is from $17.40, and actually we are not able even to hold the support that we had the leg down previously and January 30, $14.63. So everything is pointing that we shall go and visit lows that I showed you on the TPO chart, and the big level for us to hold is $10.46, because this is a huge level of the leg up that we actually made here at the beginning of this year. So it's important to monitor this level as well. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this was interesting for you. And if you like such content, please subscribe, comment, and tell me what you think. Bye-bye.